Index notation. How can we write in index notation? We know that when we multiply 3 4 times by itself, we get 81. It also can be written as 3 to the power of 4 because 3 multiply 4 times by itself. When we multiply 5 2 times by itself, we get 25. It can be written as 5 to the power of 2 or square of 5. When we multiply 4 3 times, we get 64, and it also can be written as cube of 4 or 4 to the power of 3. Here 2 is multiplied 3 times by itself and 5 is multiplied 2 times by itself. So it is equal to cube of 2 multiplied by square of 5. In other question, 7 is multiplied 3 times by itself, 9 is 1 time by itself, and 11 is multiplied 2 times by itself. So it is equal to cube of 7 multiplied by 9 multiplied by square of 11. Factorization. Factorization means the process of writing a number into its factor is called factorization. Factorization can be done by two ways: factor tree method, second is division method. Division method can be done by only prime factors. Here we take a number 600. 600 is an even number and all the even numbers are divisible by 2. So we divide it by 2. When we divide it by 2 3 times, we get 75. 75 is a multiple of 3. So we divide it by 3, we get 25. After dividing 2 times by 5, we get 1. 600 is equal to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5. Now 2 is multiplied 3 times, so it can be written as cube of 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by square of 5. Factor tree method. By factor tree method, we take 600, same number. When we divide it by 2, we get 300 and we write as 2 multiplied by 300. Now we divide 300. When we divide 300 by 2, we get 150. Now the factors of 600 are 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 150. Now we divide 150. When we divide 150 by 2, we get 75. Now the factor of 600 are 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 75. We divide 75. When we divide 75 by 3, we get 25. Now the factors of 600 are 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 25. Now we divide 25. When we divide 25, we get 5. So the factor of 600 are 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5. Now we write 600 into its prime factors. 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5. Now we write in index notation. 600 is equal to cube of 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by square of 5.